To complete your setup on Wise after signing up, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions to get your account fully operational. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Wise. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 2. Provide personal information. Log into your Wise account and fill out your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, address, and nationality. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues later. Step 3. Verify your identity. Upload the required identification documents to verify your identity. This may include a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Follow the prompts to take clear photos or scans of your documents. Step 4. Set up payment methods. Navigate to the payment methods section and link your bank account or debit/credit card. This will allow you to fund your Wise account and make transactions easily. Follow the instructions to complete the linking process. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore the Wise dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the features available, such as sending money, currency conversion, and transaction history. Now that you have completed the setup process, you are ready to start using Wise for your financial transactions. Enjoy the benefits of your new account.